What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I know last video I said we were supposed to be going to Madden. So we actually, y'all don't know this, but this is my second intro. We actually already went to Madden. Today's Sunday. We went yesterday. It wasn't that good. I didn't want to give y'all some poor content. So now we're at another park. We're actually already on the trail. I haven't hit anything yet. We're at Lake Murray State Park. So a lot of rules here that we found out. Jalen's actually back in the parking lot waiting so I can film real quick. They don't allow 2 people on one four-wheeler. So that's unfortunate. And they also don't allow alcohol, but it is a state park. But so far it looks pretty good. We found this hole here. I already walked in there. Right here, I actually could not touch at all, but I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna mess around it a little bit and see where we can go. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video. All right, let's see what Lake Murray is about. Alright, so we're gonna go find another hole. Like I said, I walked in the middle, right there between those 2 islands. So I couldn't even touch right there. I was actually swimming. So I'm definitely not going through that. I'm not trying to sink myself on the first hole, so we'll catch y'all at the next hole. Hopefully y'all can hear me well. I had to switch GoPros. Yesterday when I was filming, a lot of that GoPro footage wasn't very good because of the microphone audio. But that hole right there was only 100 foot into the park. Alright, this hole should be pretty good. My God, why did I do that? Spark plug was acting up a little bit there. Yeah, I hope my mic is still working after that. I replaced the spark plug boot on this front spark plug where it was cutting out my last video. And for the 2021s, you can't find them, like the actual boot part itself. You have to order the whole cable assembly. So I didn't know there was much of a difference, so I ordered one for a 2020 to 2016, I think it was, from Can Am parts guy, and it's a completely different style boot. The wire, the spark plug wire on these, they're not like an actual wire core. They have like a thread in it. It's a conductor thread. I've never heard of that before. I screwed that other spark plug boot on there, and it's working. All day yesterday when we were riding at Madden, I put it in water and tested it out, and it did fine all day. It didn't just have that little hiccup till just now in that hole. So I'll probably just have to do the right thing and order the correct boot. Those holes look pretty juicy. Might have to check that out. See how bad this is. So I am walking these holes because we've never been to this park before, so it's kind of the smart thing to do. I'd rather not sink my stuff, but this one I think it'll be a little more challenging than the other one because the muck is like over my knee. I'm put diff lock on for this one because it is very thick. If it'll let it. There it goes. Yeah, you hear that spark plug boot. Yeah, I don't know, it might be. No, that's definitely the spark plug boot. Yep, I guess we'll have to be ordering that whole cable assembly. Yeah, it's so weird. It's cleared up now. It's a brand new boot. I didn't put dielectric grease on the actual connector, but around the bottom of the spark plug so that the boot could seal real good on it. Like some good holes back there. I don't know if I want to hit it though, because I want to make sure the spark plug boot's all cleared up, but they look really good. Well, we'll probably be coming back to this park, so alright y'all, so I'm giving my four-wheeler a break for a little bit for the mud holes because it started to do that thing again where it was cutting out. So this park has so much. So we found some fun for Kyle here. He doesn't like the mud so much, but he does like doing the crawling. Yeah, this park has a lot. Like, I'm super impressed with it so far. So, yeah, they have a lot of rules, but so far, like, we've been here for an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe, and it hasn't disappointed yet. Well, he said that's not good, so I'll probably go over there and check on him. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there. All right, it looks like Kyle found himself in a good old predicament here. Let's check it out. Yeah? Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Where does it go? All right, he said it's gonna be all right. We'll see. This stuff looks pretty hairy. I don't know if I like it. As long as that back tire stays. Oh yeah. Easy. That was nothing. All right, on to the next obstacle. All right, so Kyle found another little obstacle he wants to try. I'm sure the camera does not do justice, but maybe it does. So I'm gonna try to come up through this little void here. There's like a little step up there. We'll see. All right, here he goes. No, it ain't bad at all. That's too What's up, guys? So we're back home now. It's Monday. I'm burnt out. We started off strong on Saturday, filming all day at Madden Off-Road. I was just not going to make that video and post it. It wouldn't have been entertaining for y'all to watch at all. So I got back late Saturday night, started looking up other parks, found Lake Murray. So we got up early Sunday morning, spent all day there, and 10 out of 10 I recommend that park. I mean, there had to been at least 100 mud holes or more. We heard from somebody that's been going there for a while that it was like 1,200 acres, so I don't think we even touched half of the park there. Today is Monday, so I'm off because of Memorial Day, and those of you that know me know I'm active duty military. Those of you that don't, now you know. Memorial Day is not for us currently serving. It's not for those that have served. It's for those that give their lives serving. So it's not a happy Memorial Day like I hear some people say. It's not a celebration day. It's just remembering those that give their lives serving this country. I wanted to hit more mud holes, but unfortunately started having that issue again with the Renegade. And if y'all didn't see last week's video when that issue started, check this video out right here. But if y'all liked today's video, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so y'all don't miss next week's video, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.